Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about create backup with split partitions. This is great if I created my cluster some time ago and my database has grown and is not efficiently using my cluster. Or maybe I need more partitions so that I can get more threads processing my queries. Let's create a scenario to demonstrate this. I've created a database with two partitions. Create a table, insert some data into the table, and let's show the partitions in this database. So I have 4 leaf nodes in my cluster, and we can see that we only have 2 master partitions, so the other 2 leaves are pretty much idle. Let's rectify this with backup with split partitions. With split partitions is the new magic keyword that allows us to do this. We see that our database backup was successful, but let's restore this database into a new database just to validate it. Switch over to the new database. And let's select the data and make sure everything's okay. Yeah, it looks like that backup worked. Now let's drop the redundant database. And now let's restore our database into place. We'll need to move the original database out of place first. Now let's use that same restore command to restore the new database into place. Let's grab that database. We see that we now have 4 master partitions. We're using our cluster much more efficiently. Create backup with split partitions is available in MemSQL 7.1. Head out to memsql.com and upgrade your cluster today.